Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when microphone is not working with Zoom app on Windows 10. So in order to fix this problem, you have to go to the start menu, then click on settings and then click on privacy and then select microphone and make sure that the first option is on, which says allow apps to access your microphone. Make sure this is on and scroll down. And here you can see the second option which says allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Make sure that this is on, and here you can see the Zoom app. So in case still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and you have to go to the start menu once again and then click on settings. Then you have to go ahead and click on system, then click on sound, and under the output, here you can see the output. You will see device properties. Click on device properties, then click on additional device properties over here, then go to the advanced tab over here, and here you will find the option which says allow hardware acceleration of audio with this device. So you have to go ahead and uncheck this, and you also have to uncheck the option which says enable audio enhancement. So go ahead and uncheck both these two options from here and then click on apply, then OK, and go back to sound once again, and this time go to input. Under the input you will see device properties, so click on device properties, then again click on additional device properties and go to advanced tab, and here you can see the option which says enable audio enhancement. You have to go ahead and uncheck this and then click on apply, then OK, and then you can go ahead and launch Zoom, and that should fix your microphone. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.